What are you eating?
Grapes.
Grapes. You're eating grapes? How many grapes? You also give ammo. You sit down ako.
Oma.
Gimme. Ni. More.
Is it?
Yeah, who gave this?
Tito.
What did you say to Uncle Liton? Thank you. Uncle. Yeah, thank you, Uncle Liton. Give me. Mm. Ala, do not finish na kung. How about ammo? Ading also will eat. Thank you. Merci. Gimme. Gimme.
This is somebody.
We finish this, no more. How many pieces remaining? Can you count? Can you count?
1, 2.
You count? May see the grapes. Hey, only one piece, one by one.
Take Baby TV with you wherever you go. Visit babytv.com
What is that?
and try our app.
What is that?
Grapes.
Grapes. Yeah, very good. You give them also. Okay. Wait, who is that? In the TV. Who is that? What's the name?
Joey.
Huh?
Joey.
Huh?
Joey.
Tully.
Joey.
Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye na. I'll turn off. Say bye-bye. See you.
Bye-bye.
You say see you. Say first, see you before you watch. Tell me. Tell here, see you. Bye-bye.